type 2. Let me take two examples. Then I ask you 2-3 questions. Like this question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Either you call it as 5 by 3 or 3 by 5. Doesn't matter. Same thing. 5 by 3, 3 by 5, same. Now here type 1. When it was n by n, our formula was n into n plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 and so on. Now here it is n into m. N by m figure, number of column n, number of row m, n by m. So you can write m by n. So here what will happen? Now first is n, but second is m. Now we have to start with n into m plus same rule, subtract 1 from this n, n minus 1 into subtract 1 from this m, m minus 1 and so on. Now you have to start with n into m, n minus 1 into m minus 1, n minus 2 into m minus 2 and so on. And there are two numbers, one is smaller, keep on subtracting 1 1, smaller number will become 0 first, दोनों में से एक number 0 बन जाएगा, 0 into something 0, you stop. I tell you how come. This is 5 by 3. So here our rule is we have to start with same 5 into 3 plus subtract 1 from this 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Subtract 1 from this 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 into 2. So I repeat why this is 4, 5 minus 1 and why this is 2, 3 minus 1. Next, further subtract 1, 1. Subtract 1 from this 4, 3. Subtract 1 from this 2, 1. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 0, which is 0 here. Five into 3, 4 into 2, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 0, we stop. So this is 15 plus 8 plus 3. So this is 23 plus 3, 26. So in the given figure, we have 26 squares. I take one more question. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 by 3. This is 4 into 3. So 4 into 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 0. This is 12 plus 6 plus 2. This is 18 plus 2, 20. Given figure, we have 20 squares. Very good. I ask you one question. Take your time, just see how many squares are there in the given figure. And my request to all of you, जल्दीबाजी के चक्कर में don't do carelessness. If this type of question, because you are in hurry and you are getting wrong answer, that is blunder. फिर डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या बहाना मारोगे? If you know the thing and you are getting wrong answer, that is blunder. So this is 6 into 4 plus 5 into 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 0. So this is 24 plus 15 plus 8 plus 3. 39 plus 8, 47 plus 3, 50. So in the given figure we have 50 squares.